When we talk about sound, what do you think it can do to us? Sound can actually make us feel better. Recall a time when you accidentally hurt your toe by hitting against something. What was your first reaction? It was ouch, right? And you actually feel better with the ouch, isn't it? Today I'm going to share with you the healing secret of sound. But before that, let me address one question. Can we really see the sound? The answer is yes. Sound can be seen and made visible in many ways. Now let's say we have a membrane and we're going to make this membrane vibrate. And remember, sound is actually vibration, so effectively we are putting sound to the membrane. And what happens when we shine lights on this membrane? We will be able to see some patterns being formed on the membrane, and this is caused by the sound. And this is what we call cymatics, making sound visible. I'm going to show you how. Now as I talk, can you see the pattern is being formed on the screen? And you can see that it's keep changing because as I talk, I'm using different tone and words which give out different vibrations. And this is being captured on the screen as you can see the changing pattern. So now we are really making sound visible here. Isn't this interesting? What about this one? We're going to put some water into what we call a singing bowl, and we'll make this singing bowl rings. Can you see that again? Patterns are formed, in this case in the water, as the singing bowl continues to sing. As we continue to bring in the sound, the vibrations, and the water just resonates with the sound. So how does this relate to us? We all know that we are made up of about 70% of water. So imagine the water in our body is the water in the singing bowl. As we listen to the sound is not just heard, but also felt by the cells, and really causing a change in the self level. Isn't this powerful? But wait, how do you know if the change is for the positive or negative? The key is the right sound, the right frequency.